today we are doing a keto egg tortilla wrap. The ingredients for the same, so you'll have to go on the below link in the description and see how we have made the almond tortillas. They are super easy, made with very few ingredients, which is almond flour, xanthan gum, then we have baking powder and egg. So you can go on the video link below and see the complete video for the same. Next I have is my keto egg coleslaw salad. Again, go on the below description, see the link of the salad. Super easy and quick salad made with boiled eggs. So what we're going to do is combine it into a nice meal. That's your tortilla wrap, that's your keto egg coleslaw salad. So a super healthy meal loaded with protein and good amount of fiber. And it's an ideal meal for a single person. It's more like an open sandwich. Lastly, you can top it up with some parsley. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on nutrition, training and amazing, awesome recipes. Thank you and lots of love.